Hi, my name is Chris Horton, and today we're at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and we are on a 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. This one's equipped with Simrad, GPS, chart plotter. All your gauges will appear on that. Digital throttle. Plenty of space to sit up front with a cooler. Lots of cup holders. This one's equipped with a sports tower that can fold down. See, it has the upgraded stereo with the subwoofer. Stainless steel rocker switches. And also, if you have little children that just want to get out of the heat, you've got a perfect place right here. It has a window in the front up there, and this cushion lays down to cover the head as well. Moving aft. Plenty of seating. And this rear bench seat moves forward all the way about 3.5 feet, giving you plenty of space in the back to hang out. This is powered by the 300 Mercury naturally aspirated V8 4-stroke. Sea deck on the back. If you've got any questions or want to know more about this boat, please call me at 850-974-6032.